Hello, this is Gustavo. This is the seal. Just have a little issue with this. Has always have always have an issue with this map route planner, the built-in system from BYD. I mean, it's great that it has it, but I'm just curious to find out what you guys think. This is the seal with 72% battery, and I've just searched. I'm in Sydney, so I'm currently asking for to go to Adelaide from Sydney, and of course it says that it needs charging, and I said I think the charging at destination is around, I think, 30%, and level SLC level at chargers, I think I've just set it to reduce the number of chargers to 20. I can't remember. Let me see. Charge level at charging station is at 20. So if, like that's a bit risky for me, but so if I just type it again, there, and so plant chargers, so all that is good and well. I mean, I don't like the fact that gives me so many chargers. How many? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chargers before reaching Adelaide. A better route planner gives me four charging stops. I mean, this is only Tesla, right? I've selected Tesla as the charging network in the settings as well. But in any case, I mean, all these here are Tesla, which is what I wanted. Or except for 1, 2 NRMA. Oh, and ChargeFox almost at the end. Anyway, the main point for me is that I cannot easily handle, unless I remove all chargers and add chargers manually. What I complain about this specifically is the fact that it's inaccurate. Like this Tesla supercharger in Exeter, I've checked, and this supercharger in particular is not open to non-Tesla. In other words, it's just for Tesla cars. And this will be misleading and will get you there with 27% battery, and then you'll have to find basically another charger, because you can't charge there. So this is inaccurate. And I wonder where this BYD stock route planner gets its data, the charging station data from. I mean, can you guys at BYD get your data from the same source as a better route planner? Because they get it right. They don't show Exeter, for example. They show only the non-Tesla superchargers, because this is a BYD car. So better route planner knows that is non-Tesla, and then it doesn't show you. It filters out all the Tesla only superchargers. So this is just one little example of something I've encountered that it's pretty inconvenient. You can't really trust this route planner then, because of that, principally, but also because it's very hard to plan your route. Maybe if it was available in the app on your phone, and then it can be transferred here in this route planner, maybe that will make things a bit better, because then you can plan your route and then remove chargers, and then just refine your stops, the places you're gonna have lunch or you're gonna rest for the night or whatever, depending on your trip. And then you can just tell the car, well, this is my trip, and then just do it and execute it. So But in this state, you have to stay in the car before your trip starts, and then you have to do all the planning right then, and that's very inconvenient, because it's also very convenient to remove chargers, specific chargers here. It's not very useful. Like say if I want to remove this Kulak charger, then I'll have to remove it, find substitute one by one, and then see if that is going to be okay. Like maybe the substitute is not a 300 kilowatt charger, or maybe it's just 50, or maybe it's just a 20, depending on what my filters are set to. But in any case, this is the basic issue that I have: the differences between the route planner built into the car, and then a better route planner. I have other issues with a better route planner, which I'm going to show you in a different video. But I'll tell you all about it when I do that. Okay, thank you guys. Just wanted to show you that. Bye.